Yeah, I raise my hands to the sky. It ain't a stick up and I ain't gonna lie. It's how to pick up to the moon, I'ma fly. I'm talking to a place where the tears are dry. I just wanna go where you are. So past the planets and stars, your beauty astounds me, oh my God. Your grace makes me way more than a par. So extreme, so not natural. Everything about you I so had to know. Your fame is too, your shine is immaculate. Your name is too, you speak from some magic lips. Magic lips, hey magic lips, hey magic lips, magic lips, magic lips, hey magic lips, hey magic lips, magic lips. So joyous, amazing, and other. Out of this world, no ordinary lover. Not only lover, but definition of the omnipresent, most high, on top like butter. On bread, daily bread, more than a butler. Speaking of your presence gets me to stutter. Where you go, I'll go for show, cause I give you my soul. And I just love how you're in control. Even in the bad, you know how the story goes. So I trust you with my whole corazón. This is my heart and this is my song. And I'ma sing forever. You not only made life better, you saw the raining gray skies, and you changed the weather. And came existence. All the planets, angels witness. Stars of passion, light in trenches. Unexplained mercy never ending. With all this light that you sending, regeneration, no pretending. You center station, so extending your arms to me, I am mending. Now I can come to you, run to you, stick like gum to shoe. Nothing can I separate the love for you. Oh, what a pleasure it is to hear you love me too. You love me too. You love me too.